Yo, every time I buy coins, I'm always run out like that. This time, I'm going to go hard. Alright. Why? Alright. Again. Cookie. I got you this time. Perfect. For sure. No, I don't want to remix because every time I remix it costs me most time. Alright, I'm just going to use the minimal amount and just let me cancel it. This is what always happens. Alright, yeah. Oh. Babe, where you going? Babe, where you going?
What you mean which part me I go?
No. At this time of the night, where you going?
No question me.
I mean no question. I just ask you just in case something happen.
No.
It's not like me
So something you want for me? You want me dead? Hotel not good enough again? You want to carry woman them here so?
You see, I that me a talk. But you ever come up with talk about the same thing today and you...
Babe, alright. Never mind about that. Come sit down, let me tell you. Alright? So, you remember my friend Shanika, right?
Yes.
And oh, she always have her man problem then.
Yeah.
Shanika called me again with her baby father drama, so you know me have to go to her rescue female feminine support. Yes.
So you're a counselor now?
No, I have to be there for her because she's my friend. You know, B?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So nobody feel no way about that.
I don't feel
Me
no
soon come.
No.
Alright?
You soon come?
Yes, babe.
You're not stay up with her.
No, definitely
Yes,
not. I just want to make sure she feel better, and then I'll be right back. Alright?
Alright, I understand, but you know, like when you just leave your house and you know.
No, nothing like that. You just called me when I was in the room. Alright? Okay.
So me go eat.
Babe, you can't make one ramen. You can't make a ramen, man. Alright?
You just give me come here, man.
Okay, babe.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't
Later.
take too long.
Me not take long.
Alright.
Alright.
No, me really, I try to comprehend. I try to comprehend. Her friend just call her in the night and she just gone. You know, she really nice, but me still can't understand how she not so nice and she act like she not nice. But one thing with her still, you know, she not hide nothing from me. Yeah. And the fact that she gonna help her friend, she consider it. Nice girl me have. Yeah, for true. Get her around me now. Hello?
Babe, why are you still up? Why are you still up?
What time now?
You see now, why are you still up? What you mean what time?
Yeah, you know say your friend here go be here, when you just come back.
So now my friend me go comfort me, but me tell her our problem, them what she have, so me did have to go over there go comfort her. What happened to you?
At this time of night? What time?
You did a drink. You're drunk. You're drunk. Yeah man, you're drunk, a rum chat. Because no way me just a come from my friend and you a come cause problem in the night, yeah.
After 3?
Me tell her say me have to comfort her. Me not in a one bag of talking with her now. Me just can't bother me not in it. I'm sorry. Go to my bed.
Understand? After 3 in the night, in the morning. Babe. Babe. Cookie. Babe. Sit good now, babe. Sit good now, babe. Sit good.
What happened to you?
Lift up your leg now.
You know say me tired, B. You know say me tired.
But we not started, though.
Me say me tired. Me I come from up a Shakeal. A whole heap of things me have to do for her, you know.
Babe, come
Me
on.
exhausted. Don't make it ignorant in the night, yeah, man.
I choke this. So, I drink dragon for nothing. Come no be. I Spitfire dragon, me did a drink in a be. You can't go on the bed like that. Come.
You know, hear me say me tired. You know see how long me say me dey over my friend and the things that what me have to do. Eh? So me can't say it to me, I'm not you, man.
So, if you just go on my bed like that.
It don't have nothing to do with me, me say me tired.
Yo, this can't be true.
No, sir.
Sorry. Think good now. Yeah.